In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send emails using Sendgrid. We'll walk through the full process together inside the Sendgrid dashboard, from choosing your email type to designing it, all the way to sending or scheduling it. By the end, you'll be able to confidently send a one-time email campaign to your audience. Once you're logged into your Sendgrid account, start by looking at the left-hand sidebar. Find the option labeled Marketing and click on it. This section is where you'll manage your marketing campaigns and one-off emails, so most of your work for this video will happen here. Next, inside the marketing area, look for single sends. Single sends are perfect for one-time announcements, newsletters, or any email that isn't part of an automated series. Click on Single Sends, then go to the top right corner of the page and click the button that says Create Single Send. This will open up a new configuration flow for your email. The first thing Sendgrid will ask you to do is select a template. Here you have a few choices. You can use a pre-built Sendgrid design, which is great if you want something polished quickly. You can choose one of your own saved templates if you've already created designs in the past, or you can start from a completely blank template if you prefer full control over the layout. Pick the option that best matches the type of email you're trying to send. After you've selected your template, make sure you choose the design editor. The design editor is a visual drag-and-drop builder that makes it easy to customize your email without writing code. Selecting this will open the main workspace where you'll design and configure your message. Now switch over to the Settings tab for this single send. This is where you define the important details that control how your email will be delivered. First, choose your From Sender. This must be a verified sender email in your account. Using a verified sender helps with deliverability and ensures your emails actually reach the inbox. Next, enter your subject line. Try to make it clear and relevant so your recipients know exactly what the email is about. Then, under Recipients, select the lists or segments you want to send this email to. Lists are broader groups, while segments let you target specific audiences based on filters or behavior. Once your settings are configured, move back into the design area to build your email. Use the drag and drop tools to add and arrange content. You can insert text blocks, images, buttons, and dividers, and then adjust fonts, colors, and spacing to match your brand. Take a moment to check how everything looks on both desktop and mobile previews, since many people will read your email on their phones. When you're happy with the content and layout, it's time to send. Click the option labeled Review Details and Send. This gives you a final summary of your settings, including the sender, subject line, and recipients. Carefully scan this page for any typos or incorrect lists. If everything looks correct and you're ready to go, you can launch the email immediately. If you'd rather send it at a later time, choose the Schedule option instead. Set your desired date and time, confirm, and Sendgrid will take care of the rest. That's the complete process for sending a single send email using Sendgrid, from accessing the marketing section, to designing your message, to sending or scheduling it with confidence.